So let's have a look at 3 fantastic hearty meals using the 10 specially selected sauces. So here we've done the pork and apple casserole using the salsa Cajun. We've also done the sweet and sour, obviously using the sweet and sour sauce. And we've done the lemon and coriander chicken there using a mixture of the Jack Joy seasoning and the lemon and coriander sauce. It gives you a really nice sweet flavour. The demand for ready meals is ever growing and it's showing no signs of slowing down. No. These hearty meals are what the customers are looking for. So let's start off with the nice salsa Cajun pork and apple casserole.
We've used large chunks of lean diced pork in there. We've got the onions in there, little bits of celery, and we've used some apple to sweeten it up as well. And so perfect in the summer. With the apple though, we put a little bit of lemon juice in those so it doesn't go brown, so it stays lovely in the counter and it stays nice for a couple of days for even when the customer takes it home.
Fantastic, and I'm sure I've seen you put some cider in this before.
Yes. Oh, it adds another depth to it again.
A
little bit of a waste of alcohol, but it really does make a big difference.
Yeah, it'll be absolutely lovely with that. So we've got the sweet and sour chicken here, which is a nation's favourite.
Yeah.
Oh, it is
that. Really is.
Brilliant. So all we've done is really chunky bits of chicken in there. We've used some of the Chinese flavour glaze to give us that nice colour, gives that lovely aniseed flavour as well. That's really nice in the Chinese dishes. And then the sweet and sour sauce on there. And I mean, look at the glaze on that sweet and sour sauce. It's fantastic. Gives a really nice shine and super sticky. And the best thing about that as well, the sweet and sour sauce is a pure product, so it's got no declarable allergens in it.
Brilliant. Labelling a lot easier.
Oh yeah, 100%. You know, by the time you've got it in the Enterpack machine with your cardboard sleeve on the top, it's not going to have a huge list of allergens on to put the customers off. It's a really nice, really clean dish. The final dish in this section is lemon and coriander chicken. This is another one of the specially selected sauces from the list. Do you want to have a talk through this one, Colin?
Yeah, absolutely. It's so refreshing. I mean, the smell of the lemon coming through now already. So what we've done is there, chicken fillet, we've scored it a little bit, Matt. Then we put the Jack Joy seasoning on, which is like a mild curry flavour.
It makes all the difference, doesn't it?
Gives you the lovely colour when it's a raw product and then adds the depth of flavour when it's cooked. It really is.
I mean, when you cooked those up yesterday, it filled the room.
It did.
Absolutely gorgeous, yeah.
Fantastic products like these need the perfect packaging. So we're going to look at a couple of options, and the first one is going to be the Enterpack machine. So let's get this in the machine and see how it seals. So it goes down, and then as it goes in, film's coming across. It's only sealing around the edge, so the hot plate isn't cooking any of the product inside. We've got a better shelf life. Out it comes. And pull off your plastic. So that's it sealed now, and just to finish it off, we're going to finish it off with one of these sleeves. Perfect space on there to put your label on, cooking instructions, anything like that, just to add that professional finish. On these trays, don't forget they're totally leak proof, the film's recyclable, tray is, now your label's recyclable, cooking instructions on there. How professional does that look?
And our second packaging option is using the smooth wall foil trays with the nice clip-on lids there. So all we're doing, we've popped our product into there, just going to take our lid, clip around the edges, and we're all sealed up, lovely for our display. We can also add on the cardboard sleeve as well onto these trays, and this just gives us that real professional packaging ready for our customers to enjoy that dining at home experience.